Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I'll be continuing the reflections that I've been offering from the words of Pope Francis about the family. And so today the selection that I offer is entitled, How Do I Bear Witness? It's part of a homily which he gave at the Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls in April of 2013. We should all ask ourselves, how do I bear witness to Christ through my faith? Do I have the courage of Peter and the other apostles to think, to choose, and to live as a Christian, obedient to God? To be sure, the testimony of faith comes in many forms. Just as in a great fresco, there is a variety of colors and shades, all of which are important, even those that do not stand out. In God's great plan, every detail is important. Your witness, my humble little witness, even the hidden witness of those who live their faith with simplicity in everyday family relationships, work relationships, and friendships. These are the saints of every day, the hidden saints, a sort of middle class of holiness, as a French author said, that middle class of holiness to which we all can belong.